Welcome, follow me is a Samsung Galaxy A71 and today I'll show you how to capture a screenshot on the device. So start off by finding the content that you wish to capture, which for me is just going to be the home screen right here. And once you have it open and visible on your screen, what you need to do is just simply press both keys at the same time. So volume down and power key. Press it quickly at the same time. It does this animation and you have a little thing pop up on the bottom, which just allows you to either share it, edit it, and the image can be found in your gallery. So let's find the gallery right here, and you can see there are two of them. I took one just before, so these are the two screenshots, and that's basically how you would capture a screenshot. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.